Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I'm sitting in my car on my lunch break right now because guess who forgot to film the intro to her video? And I usually use my lunch times to edit, and I freaking just realized I didn't have my intro done. So here it is, the intro in my car on my lunch break. It's been a minute since I've had to do this. So, got a really fun video for you guys today, and we're going to be doing one last Halloween look. In case you still don't know what you're going to be for Halloween, I have one last idea for you, and I am doing a living dead girl. She is glamorous, but she is dead, and she has just been hacked to shreds. So I did go a little glam and gory on this one. Halloween is meant for the glory or the gory type stuff, and so many times us girls just want to be pretty. Well, I want to be pretty and dead at the same time, and just ugly at the same time. Pretty ugly, you know? Ugly pretty. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I have a surprise for you guys. I know I said that we were going to announce the winner of our Halloween Morphe giveaway on the 31st, but since we're all going to be busy with Halloween, and I cannot wait, it's like literally eating at me, stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing the Morphe Halloween makeup bundle giveaway one day early. Yes, one day early, because I cannot wait. So stay tuned, and the winner will be announced. And I'm not going to ramble on too much. Let's go ahead and get into this look and get into oh, my hair is all sticking up. Get into announcing the giveaway winner. So I will see you guys right now. Okay, so for the Living Dead Girl, I'm starting off with the lightest foundation I have, which is my Derma Blend Pigment Drops. Again, this is, you know, I just want to look dead and white and scary. So just going with the lightest foundation you have, and I'm just setting that with my Morphe Translucent Powder, because I want to keep this as light as I can. And I'm going to go in with the IBY contour palette, and I'm using that grayish color to kind of hollow out my cheeks and give me kind of that dirty look. And I'm going to go in with this taupey color in the little Shade and Light mini palette that I have, and just kind of make it a little more grayish. It's actually not a bad contour color. I may use that. And now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35M palette, Boss Mood palette, and use any kind of maroon color that you have and take that into my transition and all underneath the eyes. And now I'm going in with that taupey color that I used on my cheeks and sweeping that into the crease. And it wasn't doing what I wanted, so now I'm going to go in with that bluish gray color over it and really just kind of pop it. It does not need to look pretty, and I'm taking that underneath my eyes as well. And then we're going to take the black and just pack that on. Again, it does not need to look pretty at all, because you are dead. You are freaking dead. Dead girls don't come out looking perfect, so I'm really not being neat with it. Plus, my eyes were watering so bad, so I couldn't keep any makeup on my eyes. I just had to keep packing everything on. And now I'm going to take my gel liner and sweep that into the waterline, but I was having a hard time because my eyes kept watering, but that's okay. And now I'm taking my Elmer's glue stick. It's better if you have the actual Elmer's glue, but I couldn't find my kids Elmer's glue, so I had to use their glue stick, and I just took a chunk off, and I'm just molding that down, and that's going to be the wound. If you have eyelash glue, that also works as well. Any glue except like super glue obviously will work. And I'm just creating kind of like the cut lines into my smile, and literally just pasting that on. It doesn't need to be pretty. These are wounds, and we're going to go over it with makeup and kind of mess with it after it dries a little bit. And I'm also creating a wound again just right above my eye, taking that Elmer's glue and just patting that down. You want a thick amount, but not too thick. You want it to just at least raise above the surface just a little bit, but you want it to be able to dry down as well. And then I'm going to create another wound on my forehead, so I'm just kind of, circling that around, just patting it all. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I think the Elmer's glue stick may work better than the Elmer's glue. Just because, I don't know, it just worked. And now I'm just creating little holes in the center and straight lines down the center of the smile lines, just so that way it gives it a little more depth of a cut. And I'm going over it with my whatever was left over on the Derma Blend. And now I'm going to cover it up with the taupey color and make it, we're going to create the depth on it. And now I'm going to take the black on a definer brush and go in the center, because when we go over it with the blood, it's going to give it that deeper look. Again, we're creating depth and dimension on it. So use any dark color you have, but black generally works the best, and keep it in the center. And now I'm taking the taupey color into my nose, nostril areas, and again, giving myself that dead look. And now I'm going to start on the stitches and create. And I'm just doing stitches on the eye one and just create the little holes. And I'm using just a felt tip black eyeliner and just, going down in a straight line and keeping them parallel and drawing the straight lines right across. This is going to be where we're going to lay down the foundation for our stitches. And then we're going to go over it and kind of highlight it and trace it with the white. Use any white you have. I used a white lip color that's in the ABH palette that I have, the ABH lip palette. So any white you have, any white eyeliner, anything will work. Now I'm going to take this dark purpley reddish color and just also stipple that into the wounds as well, and take that on the center of my lips, just on the inside, and taking that down the center of the wound. Again, we're just creating depth in different colors, because wounds do have a lot of different colors to them and a lot of different dimensions. And now we're just taking the red and also stippling that around as well. And now I'm going to take some fake blood that I got at the dollar store, and now we're just going to spackle that all over. And again, you don't have to be neat or pretty. We're just going to spackle this all over the wounds and create basically the last part of our wounds. It's like the most simple thing to create. And keep it on the outside, but once you put it over, if you see, I'm putting it over the black, and it really just gives it that depth like a real wound. Now I'm just going to go back with that taupey color again around my nostrils and bring it down just a little bit to, again, give myself that dead look. Dead people kind of have that bruising all over their face and, discoloration. And I'm taking the blood and giving myself kind of a bloody nose. Maybe I had a really good weekend and died of an overdose, as well. Maybe too much Coke. I don't know. But giving myself a bloody nose and creating the drip down, and also creating a little bit of drip out of the wound as well. Maybe my Coke dealer beat the hell out of me, and creating some bloody tears as well. Who knows? I, was a party girl and just had a really, really bad night. So, and it didn't turn out too well for me. So morbid, so morbid. And now I'm going to finish off my eyes and just apply some mascara. As you can see, my eyes were not working out for me. My eyes were watering so bad. My allergies are horrible, but it creates that ugly dead look. So that works. And now I'm just going in and creating a little more bruising around my jawline, kind of contouring as well, but just creating a little bit more bruising everywhere and hollowing out the depths of my face. And that's really it, you guys. That is the Living Dead Girl. I hope you guys liked it. It's really simple to create, just a few wounds, but it makes it look like you did the most on your face. And I promise, if you create something like this with the wounds, people are just going to be totally tripping out on you. Okay, y'all. So while we're still on my lunch break, I'm going to do something a day early. Since the giveaway is already closed, I'm on my lunch break right now. And I want to get this video up for you guys because I know everybody's going to be busy tomorrow with Halloween. So I don't want to take away from the holiday. I want to go ahead and announce the winner of our Halloween Morphe bundle giveaway. So I want to thank everyone first and foremost for entering and supporting our page and just giving the most love to me. You know, I really can't tell you enough how much you guys mean to me, like truly mean to me. And I say this all the time. I have made some great friends in you ladies, and I really, really love, you know, the conversations and ideas that I get from you guys. And just, I've met some really cool chicks on here, and I really, really appreciate you all and love you all so much, and giving me an outlet to get creative and do what I love. So I always want to give back to you guys. And again, thank you so much. And again, if you don't win this time, don't get discouraged. I do giveaways all the time. And as a matter of fact, I have another one coming up, and it's going up in just a couple days. We're going to start the Thanksgiving giveaway. I'm thankful for you guys, like I said. So I'm going to be giving away the ABH Sultry palette in our next giveaway. So don't get discouraged. But in this giveaway, one lucky winner wins the 35M Boss Mood palette by Morphe, and it is a stunning palette because I bought myself one too, and I've been using it throughout the last couple weeks. It is amazing. And you're also going to win the Morphe setting spray, permitted that the winner was in the United States, because it's an aerosol can and I have to ship it ground. And you're going to win the Morphe Beauty Blender. You're going to win the Morphe Eye Primer. You're going to win 2 sets of Morphe lashes and a Morphe liquid lipstick. So, drum roll, please. The winner of the Morphe bundle giveaway, and I'm going to butcher this name. Oh God, I'm going to butcher this name, but I'm going to be emailing you. So, it is Sampaguita, Lampaco, or Lampico. You're from the Philippines, and you definitely have a Filipino name that I can't pronounce very well, so I so apologize for butchering your name, but it is Sampaguita Lampico. I believe I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying that right, or at least close to it. But I will be emailing you because I've gotten so many scammers emailing me trying to collect other people's prizes. So thank you everyone for entering, and thank you Sampaguita. I'm so sorry. I'm like butchering your name. But congratulations to you. You are the winner, and I will be contacting you here within the hour of this video going up. You will need to contact me because we will need to get this shipped over to you. Again, yes, congratulations, and thank you again to everyone who entered. Stay tuned this week. I'm going to have another giveaway going up, so don't go anywhere. I'm going to be giving away the ABH Sultry palette, and there was some other stuff that I was going to give away too. Oh yes, I'm also giving away one of the Maybelline Nikki Tutorial highlighters, the Master Chrome highlighters that just came out. I've been using it every day. It is my favorite highlighter, so stay tuned for that. I hope everybody has a happy Halloween. I'm going to have a fun Halloween. My kids are going to be getting their trick-or-treat on, and we're going to go to my church and just enjoy ourselves there. So I love you all, and I will see you guys next week. I'm going to take a couple of days off because my husband's birthday is coming up and he's on vacation, so I'm going to enjoy a couple of days with him. So I will see you guys. I'll be back Sunday with a video. Sunday you guys will see me for sure, and as a matter of fact, Sunday we'll go live with our giveaway. So I will see you guys soon. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I will see you guys. Love you. Bye.